Hey guys, this is John Michael with Excel2 Tech. I have the Google Home, and on a previous video I did a review and unboxing on this. Today I want to show you this battery pack that is sold from Loft, or 97 is the name of the company. It's called Loft, portable battery base for Google Home. I want to show it to you right after this. This is a product that I kind of like. I like the aesthetic of it, but also I like the fact that it serves as a portable power. It enables me to take my Google Home and move it anywhere around the house without having to plug it in from a plug. And it also serves as a good aesthetic. I'm gonna show you why. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about here. This company is called 97. The product is called Loft portable battery base. Let me see if it tells me what wattage it has here. It doesn't say anything here, but whoa, it's nice and heavy. Obviously it is heavy because, you got this extra battery power right over here. Wow, this is very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Anything else in the box? Hello. Nothing. All right, good. It says premium perforated metal sleeve to deliver crystal clear highlights and rich base. Used only in Google Home's power adapter. So down here in the bottom, doesn't tell me anything about how much power or anything, what it has as far as, let's see here. Here we go. This is a 4200 milliamp battery, 7.6. Excellent. So what it is, metal, copper. I like this. Hard plastic, has the rubberized here in the bottom so it doesn't move. All right, and then all I have to do is just take it out, and there is a plug right here, and that goes in with the plug here, so it just fits one. Boom, dude. Oh, it does look nice, though, I must admit. Look at that. Look at that. Dude, this looks nice. Now, to charge the battery, you use the same outlet that the Google Home brings. All right, and it fits flush, so like that if you want it to. And it starts to have these 4 little lights right here showing what, the battery strength. Right now it's blinking 1 light, so it doesn't have much battery. It has a little button to show you what it is, but it looks very, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. I really like this copper one right here. Anyway, I'll give you the link on the description below. It's called Loft portable battery base for Google Home. It comes in different colors. I believe I saw a black one, red. Can't remember. I like this copper, and I'm kind of glad I got the copper one, and it lets me move it around. So that's what interests me the most. Guys, if you like these videos, give me some likes. If you haven't already, subscribe and press that little bell for notifications, so when I have new videos, you'll get a notification that a new video has been uploaded. Also, comment and give me some thumbs up. I love your comments. Some of your ideas and things that you've been saying has been very supportive. I appreciate that very much, and I appreciate you. I thank you. So, with that said, I'll see you around on the next video where I will take it to the next level.